We have a new feature on our website where you can synthesize primers without placing a Sanger sequencing order. To do this, please select New Order, and on the top bar please select Synthesize Primers. Here you can input your primer name and your primer sequence and add the primer. You can add as many as you like at once and then add these to your basket. Here you can pay with either e-vouchers that you've already pre-purchased, or you can check out and pay with a credit card, PO number or spend down account if you have one available. Once you've checked out, you'll be given an order summary page with your order number at the top. These primers will be available to use for sequencing within 48 hours, and they will be kept for 1 year after they've been used. You can still synthesize primers alongside your Sanger sequencing order. Please do this by selecting Sanger sequencing and New Sanger sequencing order. Here you can select the template type that you wish to sequence, and then you select this box to add synthesized primers. Again, you add the primer name and the primer sequence, and add the primer to your account. Please note that synthesized primers can take up to 48 hours to be ready to use for sequencing, so if you want to avoid a delay to your sequencing order, please pre-order the synthesized primers. Once you have finished adding synthesized primers to your order, please select from the drop-down menu how you'll be sending your samples in to us, and then continue to place your order as normal by selecting Next.